Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining a clean line, lay a string line where turf meets bed, and use spray paint to mark curves. Put on gloves and position the edger so the blade aligns with the mark. This gives a consistent cut. Dig a shallow trial trench with the shovel to check blade depth and turf firmness. Once done, adjust depth to 1/2 to 2 inches depending on root depth. Make sure to keep the string taut for straight runs and stop for adjustments as needed. You cut the edge by stepping steadily on the edger, allowing your body weight to push the blade down. Short, controlled moves prevent jagged edges. After each pass, pry up the sawed strip with a shovel and set it aside or compost it, keeping the soil profile intact. For curves, switch to a hand edger or trowel and work slowly to follow the string. Once a section is cut, rake away loose grass and clumps so you can inspect and refine the line before moving on. You finish by backfilling any low spots with topsoil and firming it to prevent washout, then add mulch or decorative stone to stabilize the new edge. Reseed or sod any bare patches and water lightly to settle everything. This encourages turf recovery and a crisp transition. If the blade stalls or rides up, stop and clear intersecting roots, sharpen or replace the blade, and reduce cutting depth slightly. Make sure to inspect for buried utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.